This video is for demonstration purposes only and is for reference only. Calibration must be performed in the following situations. 1. After the first startup. 2. When changing the pump head. 3. When changing the tubing. 4. When two pump heads are simultaneously transferring the same liquid. 5. When reinstalling the tubing. 6. After extended continuous operation. This video uses the EASE 15T pump head and 25 silicone tubing as examples. Prepare the required standard measuring tools and liquid samples. Press the full speed key to quickly fill the tube. Place the container on the scale and tare it. Click on Settings, select Calibration Wizard, input the calibration liquid volume as 10 milliliters, and click Next. Press the Start or Stop key to perform the first measurement. Record the value and tare it. Input the actual measured value of 10.04. Press the Start or Stop key to perform the second measurement. Record the value and tare it. Input the actual measured value of 9.935. Press the Start or Stop key to perform the third measurement. Record the value. Input the actual measured value of 10.07. Click Next, then click Finish and return to the main control. The flow calibration is complete.